Well, I'll warn you now, this is probably going to be a boring video. I'm just going to package all these little Wade figurines and these other little horsey figurines. These were bought by a viewer. So Kathy, thank you very much for purchasing all these little Wades. It was a really nice surprise last night. So basically that's what I'm going to do. This is all the bubble wrap I have. I'm short bubble wrap. I ran out. I thought I had more. I didn't. So I'll be figuring some alternative ways of trying to wrap these little guys. So there's another horse. I don't know. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see that. Flip that over. That. Flip that one over. Do that. This is going to take a while. Like I said, it's probably going to be a really boring video. I don't know what to say. There it is, little parrot. And I'm going to put him in like that. There we go. I have some other, like, kind of a styrofoam kind of stuff that I can use to wrap these as well. Yeah, that was a very pleasant surprise, Kathy. I really appreciate you making that purchase from me. I'm glad that I could help fill that shelf for you. In case anybody's wondering where I buy bubble wrap, I get it from American Bubble Boy because of the quality of it. It costs a little bit more than getting it elsewhere, but I don't care because the quality's better. Everything's better about the quality than what you can get random quality from different people. I mean, you go on Amazon or eBay and buy it, and sometimes the quality's great, sometimes not so much, and it can be even from the same person you're buying it from, and the quality can just vary. So I just bubble wrap is now, if I was getting bubble wrap for free, it'd be a different story, you know. And quality's not quite as important because, well, you know, free is free. So that's that. Let's see. Can't really think of too awful much to talk about today. I've been not really doing much. I just kind of been sitting around drinking coffee and staring at all the stuff I have to package. I have a lot of other stuff to package today. I did have an order that got canceled. Somebody bought a Miro pastry cookie press thing, and people have asked me before what I do about feedback, and I do not post feedback for a buyer automatically when they make the payment, because the transaction is not complete when they make payment. The transaction is not complete until they are satisfied with their purchase. Then the transaction is complete, and that's when I have automatic feedback. Is when they post feedback, my feedback just is automatic. So that's when people get feedback, and the reason for that is not because I'm trying to withhold feedback, because even if they post a negative feedback for me, they would still get a positive feedback because they did everything. They just let me know, you know, what it is. So it's not about trying to get people to not leave a negative. I just don't leave feedback for people because the primary reason is this. If someone buys a Miro cookie press from me and then 10 minutes later cancels the sale, if I have my automatic feedback set to give them feedback, then they're going to get positive feedback for a transaction that they canceled for whatever reason. Who knows why they canceled it, but I don't think they're actually, a buyer is in that case deserving of a positive feedback, and I personally think that it can lead to someone building a feedback profile based on false positives, and that is bad news. So I just don't do that. That's why I don't do that with my automated feedback. That, like I said, I don't believe that the transaction is complete until the buyer is satisfied, and they signify that to me by posting positive or by posting feedback at all, whether the buyer is satisfied or not satisfied, actually. So, you know, as long as they leave feedback. Oh, look, my thing got broke. The little wire got broke. I have to fix that if I want to use it. Doggone it, I hate when that happens. Yeah, I didn't get very many of these done with this bubble wrap that I had. Let's see what I got. Let's see, I got some other stuff over here. I can use this for now. That piece is too big. There, I already, in case you're wondering, yes, I did pre-slice all this. So, but this will work just as good, if not better, actually, I think, maybe, than the bubble wrap. Actually, yeah, I think it actually is probably better. So anyway, I'd have done a live video here, but I just don't do live videos too much anymore. Actually, I don't think I do live videos at all. I should do more live videos again. That was kind of fun. It's hard to do them doing this and using my phone and doing a live video because I can't look at the screen to watch the chat. So I feel like that people might think I'm ignoring them, and I'm not. I just don't. So I don't want to do that. I should just do a hangout or something and just do like Dusty used to do, and just sit and just talk with people while he was working and stuff. I miss Dusty. But it is what it is. Life goes on. Life is a series of comings and goings. Still not gonna have enough of these little things. I'm still gonna run out. There was a lot of little weights in here. I didn't sell it as a lot. I had them all. I had most of them listed individually, and Kathy bought most of the ones that I had. I think, maybe if not, maybe all of them that I had listed. And then I messaged her and told her I had a lot more, because I did, and she wanted those too. So I made a lot just for her. I don't suppose she wants to know about the 100 or more that I have at the shop. They're all in little plastic baggies for sale over there, sitting in a basket at the shop. What do I put on these? I usually put $3 a piece on these at the shop. So, now, well, I don't have the shop, but in my booth now, I have to say. There were people in my shop that basically they sold those weights anywhere from $1.99 to $5. So the $5 ones didn't sell very often, but sometimes they did. Here's a chicken. Okay. Well, I have a few more to do, but I think I'm gonna end this video here, and because now I have to find some more of this stuff and slice it up, and it's just gonna be a little much. But yeah, that's the video for today. Thanks. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.